witnessing a tragedy when they captured a deadly train wreck on video. On the outskirts of Louisville, Kentucky, around 4 p.m. last Saturday, a Union Pacific freight train was on the move, hauling 100 rail cars stretching about 3/4 of a mile long. It was moving at around 60 miles an hour as it headed toward the Bouchelle Avenue crossing, where a few train spotters were taking video of the trains on the line that day. At that same moment, a white Toyota Camry with 4 young Bhutanese men coming from soccer practice was heading towards the crossing. Even though the crossing bells and lights were working, the driver proceeded through the junction.